Hey, it's finally here, and I'm going to share it with you guys.
Ball rolling down in the deep. Down in the deep. Now I know y'all be loving this shit right here. Ball rolling, rolling, rolling. What you gonna do? Rolling, rolling. What you gonna do?
If you're new to the channel, then you probably don't know exactly who I am and what I'm about. So about a year and 3 months ago now, I allowed myself to reach 500 pounds, and I was about to die. I probably wouldn't live another year, maybe 2, 3 at the longest. I was showing signs of congestive heart failure, and but I needed psychiatric help. So I went to the VA because I am a combat veteran. So I went to the VA, started through community care. I was able to get the treatment that I needed to treat PTSD and comorbid with depression. And I was able to have the motivation to leave the house. So, and actually start to work out. But I knew between that and the fact that I was medically retired, I know myself, okay? So I know that I need to do more, so I started the YouTube channel, all right? Now, I did not expect it to do as well as it's been doing. I've had the channel now for 4 months. So I've already been in my transformation for over a year, and I've lost 100 and, well, to be exact, I've been in it for 15 months. And I've lost over 156 pounds to date. Okay, so 152 pounds, excuse me. And today, I want to first thank all my staff. You guys are wonderful. You've done a great job with how we run the channel in our organization here at Dog Pound Media. Secondly, I want to thank all of you who have subscribed to the channel. Much love and appreciate all the support. We've amassed in 4 months, you know, 100,000+ views. And the long form videos, they're doing well also. So I want to thank you guys for that. So, but before we get into what's in this box, which I have right here, a package, I think that as a creator, when you have an opportunity to do better, then you should do better, okay? So, but before we do that, I want you to go ahead and click that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a meaningful comment. All right, so let's get into exactly what I spent all this money on. All right, so first up, like I said, I think you guys deserve better content. And right now, you know, I've been basically using my phone like a lot of creators do, okay? But I can no longer do that because the content, I'm bottlenecking where I don't have enough memory on my phone, and the picture quality I think is okay. Somebody get down in the comments and let me know how the video picture quality is. I think it's pretty good, but that's, you know, I'm biased. I created the video, but the problem is the storage and everything like that. Another problem is I didn't have headphones, so I have to undo. Using the phone, I have to take out the mic if I'm going to do interviews or anything like that, which allows for a lot of not just background noise, but it also allows it sounds like you're in a box, like you're in a can. So our first upgrade, we upgraded to the Bose Quiet and Comfortable Noise Cancellation headphones. So I'll be able to wear these during live videos. The podcast is coming soon, just so you know, and everything is still centered around my transformation. But if you look at my channel description, it's transformation, my lifestyle, like who I am as an individual. I do hot takes. I've always been an athlete, so we cover. I give hot takes on life, hot takes on relationships. I mean, I was a former therapist. I'll give you some hot takes on mental health. But those are in a specific playlist. Okay, for the most part, we're gonna look at powerlifting. We're gonna the bodybuilding, just about any sports. Filipino culture. I have a lot of subscribers that are from the Philippines, and I love the Philippines. I'm actually going to there in December. I'm getting married in December. All right. So shout out to my wife. She's watching. Okay. So the next up, so that's what the channel is all about. And now with these, it comes in its own case, and it is from Bose. All right. Now I'm not getting paid for this. I'm just sharing with you. So the next, talking about the quality of the picture in the video. So instead of the phone, which it does bottleneck, my laptop, I wish I could show it to you, but it's not here yet. I did call, like I said, I am a veteran, so I get to shop at the PX and the commissary as a part of that. And I'm 100% medically retired as well. So I do have those privileges, and it hasn't come in yet. I should have it by Monday. That's going to fix the bottleneck problem. But I went ahead and upgraded to the Nikon Z3 mirrorless camera. Okay, I'm still learning about this camera, but I know it does shoot videos in 4K. We can do still shots. It does have a flip screen. It's designed, from what I understand in the reviews, it had really high reviews, and it's designed for content creators. And of course, it did come with the lens. Okay, now this is not gonna, a lot of this equipment is not just for making videos. So if you look also in the channel description, we are media sponsoring Josh Showtime Johnson.
It is. No need to count. What did we say about that is a knockdown, not from Phoenix, but it is from Nashville. This could be the 4. It is. No need to count.
Featherweight professional boxer who's doing really well. Matter of fact, I'm gonna make a video that's gonna come out, that's gonna drop probably the next tomorrow, the next day, on his current status and ranking, and let you see where he's headed. He has garnered the attention of Deontay Wilder. So I'm going to start attending his live events. Okay, and as a matter of fact, I'm about to, my press credentials should be here pretty soon, because we are a media outlet. Okay, so like I said, this channel has a lot to offer. More, it's not just a channel talking about me and weight loss and how to lose weight and what I did to lose weight. We're covering a lot more things. All right, so moving on, let's see what else we have. See what else we got here in this box. They came in today. All right, so these are filters. Hang on. Here we go. This right here is the DJ Mini flip drone. Okay, can y'all see that? It's a DJ Mini flip drone. Now, this is what it looks like once it's fully assembled. I can launch it from the palm of my hand. It does have tracking, live tracking, so it will track me once I learn how to work this. This is to give you guys a better experience and allow me to do some outside work. So when I'm starting to train outside, like if I go for a walk or if I go for a cycle, I'll be able to bring you guys along with me when I create the video. So that was the purpose of this. Plus, if there's any outside sporting events that I'm attending, I'll be able to get drone footage. I have to check the local permit laws and stuff when you're flying a drone during an event and make sure I'm in compliance. But you got this to look forward to. Keep an eye on those videos. go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna do something a little different here. All right. DJI mics. These are wireless mics. I believe when I'm inside the gym, you guys don't have a hard time hearing me, because when I look back at the videos when I'm doing editing, the videos are pretty clear because I am using a Rode mic, shotgun mic right now, and I'm going to continue to use a shotgun mic, but I believe you'd have a better experience, okay, if I had the mics that clip right here. So when I'm doing one-on-one interviews with someone, which I have some coming up, I'm actually going to interview the original trainer of Josh Showtime Johnson, and at his gym, and I'm going to give you some live footage of them. Hopefully he'll have some people in there sparring, and we're going to take a tour of the facility, and you guys will be able to come in there with me, but I'm going to mic him up, and I'm going to mic up, and these are the mics we're going to use. All right, so moving on. Let's see here. Now we got some carrying cases. So this right here is the case that is actually for keeping camera equipment and everything. When I buy things, I try to get the most of my money, so I like to buy the bundles. And a lot of this stuff was already in the bundle. This one was with the drone. It came separate, so that when we're out, I can fly the drone and then bring him back and then put him up in here. And it's just a backpack carrying case, okay? And these right here are filter kits for the drone. I've got some SD cards right here that I can upload. Once I get my laptop, I can put the SD cards in here. And then, of course, different types of filters. I don't know how to work any of this stuff. This is all new to me, okay? This right here, if you can see on here, it also came with a drone landing pad. The drone does have a feature where it auto lands itself. I don't have to, I'm going to learn how to, of course, fly the drone, but it does have avoidance, obstacle avoidance. It can handle winds, up to like level 5 or whatnot, whatever that means. But this is where it can actually land. So I've got a lot of reading and studying to do as it relates to that, to that drone. And this, I don't know what this is. We're gonna have to unpackage it because I don't know what this is. I think it is for the camera. Yeah. Okay. So let me back up. The first bag I showed you was for the camera. This is for the drone. Because like I said, I can hand launch it. It did come with extra propellers, extra batteries, which that's good. As a matter of fact, right here, reaching down here, I think that's what's in this box. Could be wrong, but I don't think I'm wrong. I don't think I'm wrong. This is, okay, yeah, I was wrong. Okay, so this is the LED light that you hook up for. I probably won't ever use it. I'll actually have lighting umbrellas when I'm inside shooting, and then when I'm outside shooting, I'll just make adjustments based on the natural sunlight. All right. And it actually does have features for low light. And the drone, going back to the drone, it does film in 4K. That's gonna be, it just means it's gonna take me a little bit longer for me to process it, but I think you guys would enjoy having some content that looks really, really nice. As you can see, the channel has been monetized. There are some memberships there. I'm not going to get into that on the video. I just want to share with you guys, give you some more insight into as to who I am and how I feel about being a content creator, holding myself accountable, because this holds me accountable. Okay, so I would not have invested all of this just to go and pile back up on the couch and gain all the weight back. I completely changed the way I do everything. I changed my routine. I changed the way I eat. I changed all of those things up. Now I do have an occasional cheat meal. I ain't gonna lie about that. I mean, go back and watch some of my videos. The cake, it was calling me, and I just had to have one. But now that I understand more about nutrition, it's not the end of the world. All I did was, and I continued, I even lost like 2 or 3 pounds that week that I did go to the gym for an emergency session, and it was just to lower the glycogen. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This is a video just letting you know, thank you guys. I really appreciate all the support. If someone is on the fence, if you really want to lose weight and you want to be serious about it, I'm the person. You can I've got 2 different membership packages that you can join. One is if you're a beginner, then you never played sports, then you want to start with the beginner program. Okay, that's where you'll get one-on-one coaching with me. So it's not just you're joining the channel for a membership. You get access to me. You get access to my knowledge, and I get to coach you along the way and tell you what I did, and I can relate. I'm going to be empathetic because you and I both have the same goal in mind. If you're trying to lose weight, I'm still losing weight, then I can help you along your way and keep you focused, right? Because I know the pains and struggles that you're going to be going through while you're on your process, while you're on your journey. And there's some tips and tricks I can give you. Now, if you're more advanced and you still want to lose weight, but you play sports and you probably maybe let yourself go, or maybe you had to go seek psychiatric help like I did, that program is $199 a month in the form of the membership. So you're not just accessing the channel, because those 2 portions right there, even though they're not up yet, those 2 tiers are going to have their own videos. So when it says you have access to member-only video, you're going to have access to those training videos, because I'm going to put a whole training system in there. I hadn't made the videos just yet because most workouts I want to keep it tailored to the person, but I am going to have a complete program in there, teaching you nutrition. Nutrition classes are going to be in there. It's just going to be a lot of fun, and I will fly out and we can collab, but it has to be videoed, of course, and I'll bring the proper paperwork if we ever get to that point and I get someone like that. Now you know what I got going on. You saw what was in the box. Look for better quality. I need to learn how to work this stuff first. Just be patient and bear with me, and go on and subscribe to the channel. Coach Turk is out.